Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host, Eric Smith. Oh my God. Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host, Eric Smith, and somebody just destroyed the rear stabilization jacks on a camper. So once again, I grabbed the camper to do some other how-to videos for something else on the unit. Forgot I had the stabilization jacks down while I pulled out a spot and did this to the jacks. Yeah. So you're in luck because now you get to see how to replace the stabilization jacks on your pop-up camper. Let's do it. Okay. 9/16 socket. Go ahead and remove the 3 nuts. They're mounting it to the frame. Give it a little bump to start. Then remove the nuts. The studs are welded to the mounting plate. These won't come off. And you have 2 up here. Give it a little bump. Take it off. Move the broken jack out of the way. There we go. Here's one. This is fun. And there's the second one. We can see by the shape of the end of the destroyed jack here that this was a 20, so we'll be replacing with 2 20-inch jacks, and we'll go ahead and put new sand shoes on it as well. So let's get rid of this. Got my twin pack of 20s. All right, got our jack. Grab a sand shoe kit. Goes like that. These have a neoprene tipped lock nut. See a little plastic inside there. These little spacers are anti-rattle. You can choose to or not to install them. With the 20-inch, you really don't need them. 17, they work, but they're kind of a pain. Feed the bolt through. And install. Now with these guys, you just want them snug. You want the sand shoe to be able to flop around like that. Too tight and it won't move, just back it off a little bit. The 17s and 20s all mount at the same pattern. They're not different. So if we were to put a 17-inch jack on here, it would mount up the exact same way. Start the 3 nuts. And send them home. After they're all 3 snugged up, give each of them a little bump. One down. Test the operation. Looks good. Second jack. Sand shoe. Lose that. We'll turn on. Try not to crush your thumb. Looks good. Okay. Test the operation. Let's go. And that's it, folks. It's that easy. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Mash the notification bell. Mash, mash, mash. And give it a big thumbs up. I will see you guys at the campground. Please put your stabilizers up before you move your camper. Pro tip.